Let's see how to print background colors and images in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, we want to print a document with a colorful background. Now let's go ahead and set that. Go over to the Design tab, click on Page Color, and click on Fill Effects. For example, let's just insert a picture as a background, picture of a sunset. And let's go ahead, click this one. And that should set the background for our document. Now let's go ahead and print that. Click on here, File tab, Print. However, you'll see here in the print preview that it doesn't really want to print that particular background. So what we can do is go over to the Options tab, click on Display, and make sure that you have checked this box right here, Print Background Colors and Images. And if you go into the print preview again, you'll see that you can now see and print the background that you chose. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.